Hello Team 3, it's Mrs Nicholson here with today's reading skills lesson. We are starting a new book because it is a new week. So your first job is to pause the video and copy out the short date and the title Vipers and circle the P into your green reading skills books. Remember to underline neatly with a ruler and unpause the video when you are ready to continue. Welcome back. So let's first do a little bit of total recall by recapping what the Vipers stand for in our reading skills lessons. V is for vocabulary. What do words mean? I is for inference. Be detectives. Find the evidence in the text. P is for predict. What do you think will happen? E is for explain. Explain why the author has chosen certain words or layout features. R is for retrieve. I always like to say, think of a retriever dog for this one. Go and fetch the facts and bring them back. And S is for summarise. That means give the main events, or can you order the events? And today we are focusing on the P for prediction, making a guess or an estimate about what we think is going to happen in our new story. So our new text is called Tom's Magnificent Machines, and it is in actual fact a fiction text, a story text. Let's make some predictions about this story. Here you have some sentence openers. I see, I wonder, I think, it reminds me of. So your first job is to complete these sentences in your reading skills books with your own thoughts. You might say, I see a roller coaster. I wonder if that plane is blowing out bubbles. I think that is a little boy and his dad. It reminds me of being at the fair. But those are just my ideas. What are your ideas? Let's pause the video and complete these 4 prediction sentences in your green books and come back when you are ready. Welcome back. So let's now read the blurb. First, let's remind ourselves, what is a blurb? A blurb is found on the back of a book, and it gives us a little bit of detail about what the book or the story is going to be about. Tom and his dad are very good at making things, but then Dad loses his job and sadness clouds the house until Tom comes up with a plan to take their vehicle inventions and create something astounding. So your task is to answer these 4 questions about what we have just read on the blurb. Question 1. Read the blurb. What does Tom make who does Tom make things with? I apologise. Question 2. Why does sadness cloud their house? Question 3. What do you think Tom will create? And question 4. How do you think this will help his dad? Pause the video and answer these questions neatly in your green books and come back and unpause the video when you're ready to check the answers. Welcome back. Here are the answers. Question 1. Tom likes inventing things with his dad. Question 2. Sadness clouds the house because Dad lost his job. And questions 3 and 4 could have a variety of answers because they are your predictions. They are what you think is going to happen in the story. And finally, our last task. Astounding and magnificent are both words that we've read today. These words both mean brilliant in the story. Can you find or think of any more synonyms for brilliant? Now, synonym is a tricky word, but it means words with the same or similar meaning. So can you think of any other words for brilliant, astounding, or magnificent? If you can, write them in your green reading skills books. And don't forget to photograph your work today and send it to your teacher via the chat link on Teams. Well done. Great reading, everybody, today. I'm really proud of you. Goodbye and take care.